In this video, we'll see seeding part of knockout tournament. You must have seen how to make fixture, how to group them into different halves, how to give buy. Now it's time to come to see seeding. First of all, seed. Seed is here we call player or team, and we are supposed to group them. Okay, so grouping of player और टीम. जैसा भी हम लोग अगर गार्डन में अगर आप लोगों ने कभी बीज लगाया हो तो बीज को क्या करते हैं हम लोग सबको एक साथ लगा देते नहीं, हम क्या करते हैं बीज को एक प्रॉपर डिस्टेंस मेंटेन करते हुए बीज को अलग अलग लगाते हैं. सेम हियर इन सीडिंग में अभी क्या होता है कि लाइक देयर आर 10-15 टीम्स पार्टिसिपेटिंग इन वन टूर्नामेंट. उसमें से कुछ टीमें हैं, देयर आर सम टीम्स हु इज वेरी गुड, देयर आर सम टीम्स एवरेज, देयर आर सम टीम्स दे आर वीक टीम्स. सो इन केस पॉसिबिलिटी है, आई डोंट से कि ऐसा ही होगा, बट देयर इज अ पॉसिबिलिटी कि जब आप फिक्सर बनाते हैं और अगर आप सीडिंग व्हेन यू डू नॉट इंप्लीमेंट सीडिंग मेथड, आपने दो ग्रुप बनाया जैसे कि आपने पहले देखा दो ग्रुप बनाया, ये पॉसिबल है कि जो बेस्ट टीम ऑफ द टूर्नामेंट है या उनका जो प्रीवियस रिकॉर्ड है उसके हिसाब से दे आर चैंपियन टीम एंड दे आर प्लेस्ड इन द सेम ग्रुप. मे बी दे आर प्लेइंग फर्स्ट मैच, तो इससे क्या होगा, इससे ये होगा कि द बेस्ट टीम ऑफ द टूर्नामेंट इज नॉक्ड आउट राइट इन द फर्स्ट राउंड. नाउ नेक्स्ट पॉसिबिलिटी इज आल्सो देयर कि इन फर्स्ट ग्रुप upper half all good teams are there placed and the lower half all weak teams are placed. So in that case also what will happen in the finals, one strong team and the one weak team will go. So to avoid this kind of situation we go for seeding. हम seeding में क्या करते हैं, then one more possibility is also there कि in case अभी हम अगर उसको बाई के हिसाब से, you must have seen that we give by first team, second team, third team, fourth team, and हम strong team को के साथ में कोई weak team कर देते हैं without any basic formula, तो हम protest करेंगे, we will protest, we are not going to play why all strong teams are in my group. So that possibility, to avoid those things we go for seeding. So let's make a fixture for seeding. I think when we make the fixture for seeding, you will understand better. We'll make the fixture of 11 teams. Number of teams is 11, and rest of the procedure will remain same. Upper half, lower half, number of byes will remain same. So number of teams 11. Number of byes will be next power of 2, next number of byes next power of 2 minus number of teams. So next power of 11 is, next power of 2 of 11 is 16 minus 11 is equal to 5 teams. So here how many byes? So 5 teams will get bye over here. I would like to add one more thing over here. See, to place seeded team, or what we said that a strong team, there should be some record with us. It is only possible when organizer has previous record of the teams. Like when we participate in inter-school tournaments, CBC inter-school tournament or inter-DPS tournaments. This year we have played, if my team is winner, some other teams are runners up. So in the next year when the tournament is organized some other place, they will ask us for the previous record. Once we give them the previous record, and those teams, those who were champion, runners up, first runners up, second runners up, possibility is that they will be given CD. But I would like to add one more thing. If you say that okay, champion team has not come, first second team have not come, so fifth sixth number team should be given seeding. That is not possible. If they have not come, means they have not come. Okay, and it should be in a power of 2. If the seeded teams are given seeded, okay, there should be in a power of 2, like 2, 4 teams, 2, 4. Generally we give either 2 teams, first 2 teams, or we give 4 teams, first, second, third and fourth teams. So here number of buys, how many buys will be given? 5 buys. Now number of teams in upper half is equal to n plus 1 by 2, as we all know. N is number of teams, 11 plus 1 by 2, 11 plus 1, here I am writing straight away, 12 by 2, 6 teams. Then number of teams in lower half, n minus 1 by 2 is equal to 10 by 2, so 5 teams. So 6 teams will be placed in upper half and the 5 teams will be placed in lower half. So here space is less, so I am rubbing this part. Number of buys in upper half. See, I am writing always so that you remember. Upper half is equal to, like for upper half, number of teams in upper half, n plus 1 by 2. Here it will just opposite, nb minus 1, nb minus 1 by 2. So number of buys, how many buys are we are giving? 5 buys. 5 minus 1 by 2. Here 4 by 2, 2. In upper half, how many buys will be giving? 2 buys will be giving. Number of buys in lower half, nb plus 1 by 2. Number of buys are 5. 5 plus 1 by 2, 6 by 2, 3 buys. So now I think it's clear. 3 buys will be given in lower half, 2 buys will be given in upper half. Now we make the fixture. 1, 2, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So there are 11 teams. Upper half, how many teams are supposed to be there in upper half? 6 teams. This is upper half. Upper half, and this is lower half. Lower half. So first half, second half, upper half, lower half, whatsoever you would like to say, you can call it. Now placing the first, as usual, we are going to place buys. Okay, so there are 5 buys to be placed, 3 buys to be given in lower half, and the 2 buys will be given in upper half. So sequence of giving buy, I think you know very well. The first buy is given here, buy. Second buy is given here. Third buy is given here. Fourth buy is given here. And the fifth buy is given here. So now the thing is that, okay, buy we have given. What we do? How many teams were seeded? How many teams we have? We can consider 4 teams are seeded in this tournament. 4 teams are seeded. So by we start from here, okay, the last team of the lower half, then the first team, but seeded will start from the top. So first by, here by is given, the first seeded player will be placed here, by seeded. Second topmost team, according to previous record, last year record, will be given here, by seeded. Third team of the tournament, by seeded. Fourth team will be placed here, by seeded. Okay, so this 4 teams, this means very equally they are distributed in different places, so that strong team they do not meet in early rounds. अभी आप लोग देखेंगे ये लोग शुरुआती दौर में ये लोग नहीं खेलेंगे एक दूसरे से, क्योंकि अगर ये लोग आपस में फर्स्ट राउंड में अगर if they play, what will happen, the strong team will go out of the tournament. So now the second question is this, कि दो, okay fine, now other teams, how to distribute other teams. अभी अगर मान लो कि मुझे बोले कि भाई your team will play here the second number और third number, मैं बोलूंगा भाई सबसे strong team के साथ पहला मैच मैं क्यों खेलूं? Why to play first match with a very strong team? Why you are supposed to keep me in with the very strong teams? So for this reason हम इसको यही आप लोग याद रखना, कहीं पर भी अगर आप टूर्नामेंट खेलने जाते हो, you should know all these things. It's not only that whether you opt for physical education after class 12 or not, doesn't matter, but these things are very important whenever you play. You are in the company or you are going for any kind of tournament, or being a physical education student, if someone asks you to make the tournament, make a fixture of the tournament, then you can make the fixture technically correct. So हम बाकी टीमों का क्या करेंगे ताकि उनके बीच में कोई कंफ्यूजन ना हो, देयर शुड नॉट बी एनी काइंड ऑफ कंफ्यूजन. सो हम बाकी टीमों का लिस्ट चिट में लिख करके हम लॉट्स करेंगे. हम लॉट्स करके हम उन सबके सामने में, टीम मैनेजर के सामने में वो लॉट्स निकालेंगे. निकाल करके देन वी आर गोइंग टू प्लेस देम इन अ डिफरेंट एरियाज. ओके, सो दिस इज रेडी. फर्स्ट राउंड. First round, 2 and 3 is playing match, 4 and 5 is playing match, 8 and 9 is playing match. So only 3 matches are played. I'm writing here first, second and third match. Then the fourth match will be played. The winner of 2 and 3 is going to play a match with the champion team. I mean first by seeded. This is second round. Then winner of 4th and 5th team will play with this 6th number team. Okay. Then winner of 8 and 9 is going to play match with 7th number team who is given CD. Now 10th and 11th, 10th got the bye, so 10th is the team is playing with by seeded in the second round. So this is second round. Now third round matches will be played. Winner of this and the winner of this. This is one way, it is semi-final. This is third round. And the final match will be played. The winner of this group, winner of upper half and the winner of lower half. This will be the final. So I hope. So third match, fourth match, fifth match, then sixth match, 7, 8, 9, and this is 10th match. As we all know that right in the beginning we said in the previous fixture that total number of matches is total number of teams minus 1. So we had 11 teams and total number of matches are 10. I hope it is clear to all of you. And I tell you to make one fixture for 13 teams and 2 teams will be seeded over there. Okay. So you will try to make at your home, make fixture for 13 teams where 2 teams are seated. You make it, write in your copy. In case of any doubt, you can ask me. Thank you so much.